Hi guys, and welcome to Payroll Management System developed using Delphi. Okay guys, as you can see, we have information of Captain Paul right there, Captain Paul Omen. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to reset, or you can even exit if you want. I'm not going to exit, I'm going to reset. And let's reset the calculator as well. Now let's enter the details of Tony Montana. And address of Tony Montana is number 17, Little Venice. There. And let's enter his postcode. Montana happens to be male. And position, he is a co-pilot. City benefit and wages. Overtime so far. And we come in here, enter the period there. So all we then need to do is just to click on pay. There we go. That is the details of Tony Montana. And if you want to check out the net pay, you can always enter the gross right there and then subtract the deduction right there, and you should get the same value. Just for your information guys, this is an overview of how to develop payroll management system in Delphi. The full tutorial will be out shortly. Thanks for watching.